this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the On Point from Raquel Welch in the color RL33/35, also known as Deepest Ruby. The model photos are in this color. I love this color, so I figured, why not demo it in this one too. But before I do that, let me show you the cap construction, so make sure you stay tuned so that way you know what this one looks like on. This one has a lace front and a monofilament part, but that part goes right down the center. On this one, she will probably have a little bit of permatease here on the top, but I don't know yet because I haven't looked, so let's check it out. Do you have permatease? No, she's got like little, it's kind of like permatease but without the kink. The little cut hairs that kind of lay underneath the tracks, that's going to help obscure the tracks on this particular wig. Look how cute this color is. Open wefts on the side, and in the back they're covered with silicone to aid with grip, but if you have hair like I do, it won't pull, it just won't do anything at all. This is really only a feature that benefits people who have no hair, but it's not going to hurt people who do. It has an extended felt nape with, you guessed it from the sound, Velcro adjusters, and it has felt here on the ear tabs. This one's pretty stretchy and pretty comfortable on, even with my big head, so I appreciate that. Raquel Welch tends to have really consistent, good lace fronts. This is a heat-friendly synthetic wig, and it does hit, especially in the front, right below where the shoulders would hit. So make sure you keep that in mind. You'll want to make sure you detangle this on a regular basis, so that way it doesn't start to get all clumpy. See how the hair is kind of separated here at the bottoms? That's what heat-friendly synthetic does naturally. And there's really no getting around it. It's just a feature of this fiber. I love the way this is cut on the sides. It's a very classic angled bob. It's a very easy to wear angled bob though, because it's so long in the front, but then the layers here are cut to hit right at the front jawline. It reminds me a lot of like what would happen if something like May by Noriko and Jackson had a baby, right? But she has a completely different cap construction than that. I'm just talking about the style, because it's got these front layers kind of like May does. They're just long, kind of like Jackson's length. And I think this is very clever that they made the nape so much shorter so that way you don't end up having to fight the tangles back where you can't see them. This is what that lace front looks like. And that monofilament part. Coverage. And I have an average large head, so I'm always gonna have a little bit of hair poking out of the bottoms. You can even see a little bit of the dreaded gray. It happens, so I'm not ashamed of it. It's a thing. Happens to us all. And heck, they've been happening to me since I was in my early 20s, and I'm not anymore. So anyhow, I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our stuff. We like making this stuff for you, and the more people who subscribe and like and chat us up, the more we can do this for you, because otherwise it's like, are people actually watching these? And then people comment, and we're like, they are, yay. So we want to hear from you. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.